Today, I'm making a creamy garlic chicken with buttery garlic noodles. Start by seasoning your chicken. You can use whatever you would like. In a hot skillet, cook the chicken until golden on both sides, then set it aside. In the same pan, melt butter and add minced garlic. Let it cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and a ½ cup chicken broth, then let it simmer. I forgot to add the heavy cream and chicken broth on camera. Add parmesan cheese and stir until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Return the chicken to the skillet and spoon the sauce over the top. Let it simmer for a few minutes until everything is coated and flavorful. Toss in the cooked noodles and mix well until coated. Plate everything together and finish with a little extra sauce on top. This is a simple, cozy meal that's full of flavor and perfect for any night.